Veterinarians and people that work with animals are different people. The compassion that I see each and every day. In all the years I worked in human medicine, I went back and said, if I could have all of the doctors and staff that I worked with in human medicine come and spend a day here at the Animal Medical Center, it would change the way healthcare is delivered on the human side.
The people that have committed their lives to helping and caring for animals do it with such conviction.
There's an unconditional love there that goes beyond even a human-to-human bond.
At the height of the pandemic, when we still really didn't know what was happening, and we saw our volume go from 200 patients a day down to almost 10, I was desperately concerned about what was going to happen to AMC.
Only essential businesses will be functioning.
In the beginning, we didn't know whether we would be allowed to continue to practice or whether, in fact, we should.
We got thrown into it pretty quickly. It was pretty intense initially.
There were so many questions.
At that point in time, everything was so fluid and everything was changing day to day, and we would put out a directive one day and then the next day we would have to change it. So it was a very confusing, stressful time.
You know, we're in the middle of a major Gift of Love campaign. We have to have this building expanded. We have to build out the space. And I thought, oh my gosh, all these years of working hard to get here and to get everything almost ready for this transformational opportunity might never happen.
I did worry. I just didn't know what the future would hold for any of us.
So it was a very frightening time and a very scary time. I would say that what kept me going was that I knew that we were so committed to what we had to do in terms of animal care that somehow we were going to make it through to the other side, and everything that we planned is going to happen.
We had the goal of making people safe, the staff and the clientele.
AMC was really the only clinic and hospital open.
During the pandemic, we've kind of learned that people value their pets, and regardless of what they're going through, they come in the doors and we need to be here.
We had great leadership, we have great support, and the people that work here are heroes. And no matter how difficult it was, we all showed up every single day.
To be able to go forward and continue on with our mission of compassionate care, education, and research, and have a modern facility, it all depends on donations. We couldn't do it without it. We just couldn't. We're a nonprofit hospital.
We have a unique hospital here, a unique infrastructure of donors and support staff and people that care about the hospital. And we have the potential to do things here that honestly can't be done anywhere else.
50,000 animals a year are treated here at AMC, and they get the best care possible of anywhere in the United States and probably the world.
We had one goal, and that was to treat the animals of New York and surrounding areas that needed care, and there was no choice in that matter.
Keeping pets healthy keeps people healthy.